Hello guys. Today we are going to talk about App Creator 24, how to design a streaming app in App Creator 24. So there is this thing that I really want to um how is it okay? So I want you to understand something about this App Creator 24. Many people complain of the app their design in App Creator 24 is not functioning or is not giving them what they want. You understand? So because of that, they are not using it again, or the ADS is no more showing. There is something I would like to tell you today about App Creator 24. But we're going to talk about that when we advance in this tutorial. So, the first thing that you really need to do now is just to create the app first by clicking here at your browser and input App Creator 24. It's going to show. Then you click on it. Here, this is their main site. Click here. Now here is where you're going to log in. You're going to log in. But if today is your first time of watching my videos, please do well to subscribe. Hit that subscription button and do well to subscribe, please and please, so that each time I publish videos like this, you're going to be the first or even the second person to watch it, and also broaden your knowledge over this App Creator 24. So that is just it. So here now we're going to log into our App Creator 24 dashboard. As you can see, this one is where you log in. But if you have not been making use of this App Creator 24 to create application, like today is the first time of coming or that kind of a thing, so what you want to do is just to make use of this sign up button so that you get your own dashboard so that you can be able to create app. So let's go. Here now we log in. My login information, click on sign in. Then it's going to take you to where we're going to create your app. So what I'm going to do now, just to hit this create app button here. You can see create app button here, so just hit on it. This place will open. So what I'm going to do, remember we are talking about video streaming app. Okay, here we're going to choose icon. We're going to choose icon, but let's use option 2 here. Choose from the gallery, their main gallery, the one that okay, this is the gallery. We're going to choose the icon based on our title, that is streaming app. Let's use this. Okay, so here is going to where you're going to put your app description. You say videos streaming app. Click on next. Here you're going, this is going to show you the one you select, the style. So but let's go with red. Click on next. Now you can see this particular place. These are the suggestion and of the kind of app that you want to create, so that it will be very easier for you to create it once. So you can see this. Many of you might like to make use of this TV or video app, you see, but that is not, I don't just fancy that particular side, because if you use this particular section now to create the app, this option now will request for URL. For user experience, it's not good for one to be in your app and the app will be redirecting the person to another place, which is very wrong, especially if you're making use of AdMob tool, and it is not good. Build your app in such a way that the person will make use of that your app, and once the person is done with the app, will go. You understand? Don't do things like redirecting one to from your app to another place. You understand? So for that reason, I'm not going to make use of this TV or video app. We are going to click somewhere here. Click at this application. it will show. So here now you can see this streaming app here where it appeared. Then that particular thing that I told you before we start, I said something about upgrade 24 secret. I'm going to leak the secrets. Some of you may build a good reasonable application, but your revenue may not be increasing the way it's supposed. The reason for that is this: each app that you create with upgrade 24, upgrade 24 still have their own share in the advert. Like maybe you're making use of AdMob, you will still notice that sometimes a start app will start displaying in that app. If you have not been watching your app, just start watching it. You notice that sometimes start app where ADS will start showing. So that particular startup ADS that is showing is from app creator 24. So they also earn from your own app. That means you guys share the stuff 50-50. You see, and they might not even notify you that they're about to place the advert. Just that your own the thing will be a kind of displaying how will I randomly, like your own show, their own show, sometimes those kind of a thing. So that's just it. Now, well, for you to stay away or turn that particular thing off is through this ad free. I know many of you have been seeing this, but you don't know the meaning of this ad free. If you want to be free from anything like that, you can just click on it. You see, your ad-free service isn't enabled. In the app without ad-free, we can include ADS to 20% of all users, to 100% if you don't use the option to put ADS. You see, you can activate the ad-free services. We won't place ADS to 100% user of your user each day. You can enable it from ad-free section. You understand? This to show you that in upgrade 24, they place adverts to 20% of all user. You understand? That means you will still earn money from there, but they're also earning money from it. So how do you turn off this particular ad free? Is by clicking here, ad free service. Click on it and it will take you to this place where you can activate it. You can see this. They say currently your ad-free service isn't enabled. So how do we enable this? We click on this activate stuff. Here they're going to tell you that extend ad-free service to 1 year for up to one application will cost you $17 approximately. $17. You see, so that anytime users make use of your app, the whole earning will be yours. You understand? So, but everybody believes that upgrade 24 is just meant for free, like just a free way you can just dive in and create your app and go your way and start making your money. Yes, it is like that, but the person that is helping you to create the app manually without coding will still need to eat. You see, that is where they are making their own money from. You get? But you can still make use of it. Many have been using it and it has been working for me. So that is just it. Just that the main thing there is that you try to create about, let me say, 10 app, reasonable application in this app creator 24 and publish it there so that your revenue will increase. You will not even notice that something is happening. It will increase. Like there is no way you have only one particular application and you'll be expecting $100 in a month. Yes, it is possible, but it depends on the type of app that you created. You understand? depends on the quality of your app. So, but for you to make use of April 24, you will need to develop or create more apps so that you will make huge amount of money from there. So like this now, we are not going to do anything about this particular 17 US dollar they are talking about. I'm just showing you the secret behind April 24. It is not that way you think. So now let's go back and finish up what we are doing. Then click on streaming app. This particular place now is where you're going to add what we are talking about by making use of this section here. Click on that section and also click create section. So here now, there is something I'm going to show you. We have different ways you can add video in your app without requesting for URL or those kind of thing, or redirecting you from the app to other place. So I'm going to show you the particular one that you use, and it's going to work very well for you. Like here now, you see this video, you see another social video here, you see something HTML, even this web can still do something of that nature for you. But the only one that I said, like I recommended, is this HTML. You see, so if you make use of that HTML, it's not going to redirect you to another site unless the user decided to do that, because there is also a place where you click and it will take you to another place, but mainly you watch it in that application and it will not take you to other places. So that is just it. So what are we going to do? We click on that HTML. So inside that HTML, you see use HTML editor, and you can see other one, enter directly HTML code. So what are we going to use now is enter directly HTML code. Click next. So you can see this now. This doc type HTML, all these things are things that you are supposed to put in any HTML. You need to input this headers and the footer stuff. So this particular thing is the place where you're going to paste your content. You're going to remove this page content. Remove it. You understand? So now go to YouTube. Go to YouTube. As you can see here, we are making use of desktop version of YouTube. Now, for you to enable this desktop version on your phone is by clicking, assuming that we're making use of Google Chrome, because I'm making use of Google Chrome right away. So you click this, sorry. Okay. We're going to click here at these three dots here. There is three dots at the upper side. Once you click on it, you're going to see something here. You're going to see a desktop. You see desktop size. See, here is it. So once you click on it, it will be checked like this. Then it will take you to the YouTube and it show you something like this. So, but if you are using laptop or just PC like that, now it will show you just like this without setting it up. So what are we going to do now? We're going to make use of any video. Click at this particular place now. There is one share button here. This share button. Click at the share button. So this thing like this, it will show like this, but for you to locate the particular one, that is what they call embed. That's the particular one that we're going to use. So how do you get that? It's by clicking here. That is what you see here, embed. That first button, click on it. You will see a new code,
embed video code will show up. So what are we going to do? Just click at this copy so that it will not give you error. Click at this copy. There is one button at the bottom side. Click copy. It will be copied. Now go back to that App Creator 24. Once you get there, so okay, go to that section again, that place. Oh, they logged me out, so I need to log in again. Go in, okay, then locate the stream app that we are creating. Just go straight to section, create new section. Then what else? You click this HTML, as we said before. Click this enter directly HTML, click next. Now here you're going to paste that particular code that you collected from YouTube. Now paste it here. Now the only thing that you need to do is to change the size of your video. But this here is the wideness of the video. Let's say 3. Let's make it 3. Let's say 360. 360, and let's do this one let's say 230. Okay, so we are done. Next is just to save the stuff. Save. Okay, here you're going to enter the name of that the name of the video or the name of the section. That is what I'm going to use. The name of the video should be used. Okay, let's say App Creator 24. ADS not showing. Let's say the title of the video is this. Then you click on save. Click on save. Now another thing that we need to do is to click at this design. Here we're going to change the menu type. The menu type here is the menu type. You have options here. You have the top menu, the slide menu, the table menu, and without menu. So if you use this without menu, now it will show you that video directly without showing you any other thing within the stuff. So but now we are going to make use of slide video. So let's save. Now we're going to run our app. Click at this download button. The app is not yet available. We'll try again. I'm going to download. The app is downloading. Just downloaded. Click on install. Install the app. Now open the app. My phone master is scanning the app. Let's open the app. This is our app. Now these are that video that you can see it here. So this is the video, and you can just click directly here and start watching it without taking you
Welcome to my channel
another
again.
place. You understand?
So
that is just it. So that is how to create streaming app. You understand? So you can also embed more other videos within this place. You can still embed more other videos and then add your ADS. That is just it. You are done. So this side is the side button. Here you can You can add your privacy policy or many other things that you really need to add. So, but next time we're going to talk about that. So that is just it. So friends, please, if you like this video, please do well to give me a subscription there, so that each time I publish video, you're going to be the first to watch. So thank you for watching today's tutorial. So I talked about how to implement your ADS so that it will show very, very well correctly. So the next video you're going to see now on your screen, just click on it and it will fix that for you. Thank you for watching.